Hello everybody, I hope you guys are well and lots of rain on this side. Okay, this is another project with an RGB LED and 3 potentiometer, 1, 2 and third one is here. I can make more space. I will put the codes and the rest on the website. In any case, it's red is pin 9 and green is pin 10 of the Arduino and blue is pin 11, and these pins are digital. The the red potentiometer, it's on A1, A0. The green is on analog 1 and the blue is on analog 2. It's pretty simple though, but it's interesting how to program it and test your, let's try this one. It's blue now, although I know that the camera doesn't show the color exactly as it should be, and now it's getting towards red. Okay, now it's red, although it looks white on the camera, but it's red. If we put something behind, you can see it's reddish. And you can see that it's bluish now. Yeah, so, yeah. Then we can try the other one. Okay, if this one is blue, when we move this one, there goes blue, red. So it goes green, red, blue. Let me try again. Try this one. So bring it back. That's red. Nice orange, almost orange. And when I move this one, it goes yellow. Now it's yellow. And I think it probably now is going to go green. I think there is one pin. It's giving me, one pin is giving me a headache. Okay, and now it's green. See? Now it's green. And you can see, I don't know if you can see it's green. The camera, it's a bit. Now let's go back blue. Let's put it back to green and move the other one. Now it goes sort of bluish off. So green. See what happened now? And now it's yellow. Yellow, and now it's sort of reddish. So get into purple. There we are, purple. So you can play around with this till you get, so that's dark purple. You see dark purple. Okay, this was an experiment with the 3 potentiometers. You can play around. In any case, you have a good evening and thank you very much. And please give me a thumbs up if you're happy with it.